The Climate Con: How 20,000 Years of Earth's Story Debunks Mass Hysteria. Over the past 20,000 years, our planet has undergone a remarkable transformation, enduring the whims of the ice ages and the subtly warming effects of natural climate cycles. Yet, in the blink of a geological eye, humanity has been convinced to abandon fossil fuels and embark on a costly crusade against an existential climate crisis. But what's the real story behind this scramble to achieve net zero? Let's start at the dawn of the current interglacial period, when Earth emerged from the icy grip of the last great ice age. As the planet warmed, the polar ice caps receded and sea levels rose, flooding coastal areas and altering global coastlines. This natural fluctuation was accompanied by changes in ocean currents, vegetation patterns, and even the distribution of human populations. So what happened next? As humanity adapted to the post-glacial environment, natural climate variability continued to shape our world. Periodic Dansgaard-Oeschger events brought brief but intense cold snaps, while longer-term cycles like the 1D500-year Bond events saw temperatures fluctuate by as much as 2 degrees C. These natural ups and downs did not spell doom for our species. So what triggered the sudden panic over climate change? The answer lies in the scientific community's growing reliance on computer models to predict future climate scenarios. While these models have provided valuable insights, they have also been susceptible to biases, assumptions, and tuning to fit predetermined narrative outcomes. Enter the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, which has driven the climate agenda since its establishment in 1988. The IPCC's reports, relying heavily on these models, have consistently projected increasingly dire climate futures, while downplaying natural climate variability and the benefits of carbon dioxide as a plant fertilizer. The alarmist tone reached a fever pitch in the 2007 IPCC report, which declared that most of the warming since the mid-20th century is very likely due to human activities. This concise statement, later discredited by whistleblower ClimateGate emails, set the stage for the climate activist movement's relentless campaign to attribute all warming to CO2 emissions. As climate fear-mongering intensified, so did calls for drastic action, culminating in the Paris Agreement's goal of limiting global warming to well below 2 degrees Celsius. However, this ambitious target has little basis in scientific reality, as even the IPCC admits that the most recent warming is modest compared to past climate fluctuations. The net result of this climate hysteria has been a multi-trillion-dollar industry built on fear, with governments and corporations profiting from carbon emissions trading schemes, green technologies, and the like. Meanwhile, the promised climate benefits of these endeavors remain elusive, as costs skyrocket and real-world emissions continue to rise in many developing countries. In conclusion, the story of Earth's climate over the past 20,000 years reveals a tale of natural variability and resilience, not a catastrophic crisis manufactured by nefarious forces. By rejecting the alarmist models and narratives peddled by the establishment, we can break free from the grip of climate hysteria and work towards sustainable solutions grounded in scientific truth and economic prudence. It's time to expose the climate con and restore balanced, evidence-based decision-making to the forefront of policymaking.